Sound check, sound check.
Price check, baby fees, half-wife.
We are the revolution. We want it all tonight. We want to take back what's rightfully ours. We are the
That's what's happening. Bob Jones is here. He believes that Māori should be making him breakfast and be
serving him.
yes. And so here he is. He's got the whole of New Zealand interested in his case about Māori. And yet we have, on the other hand, Māori children being abused, taken by the state, no court cases, no nothing. And if that's our point, here is an old man out there who's ready to be died. He has more mana than these little babies. And those babies are this country's future. And that's what they're doing to them. No media interested in them. I've just got released from court this morning because I posted on Facebook about the habits of Oranga Tamariki. This is about the 5th or 6th time that I've been in jail, and they keep warning me that I shouldn't be on, not to go on Facebook, but unfortunately my aroha for our tamariki is greater than what the court are ordering me to do, and so I said I can't guarantee that because tamariki come first.
The amount of trauma they've caused you, bro.
Yes, been up there, here I am traumatised, but there's a man up there full of Māoris, full of Pākehās, arguing about whether Māori should be making Bob Jones breakfast. Not interested in the tamariki. That's what's happening. Morena, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa.
Ka pai.
Tamariki.
So we are, guys. We're all on our way to Child, Youth and Family.
They use their obscenity and they don't listen.